Yer. What's up, y'all? I'm excited because I am expanding my space. I know I haven't showed you all like my entire living situation. So before I show you a video and some images of what I'm working on, I want to explain to you what the space was before because I don't have videos of it. Anyways, so it was a studio, open concept, living room, bedroom, and bathroom, no kitchen. So the expansion is basically tearing down the wall that is between my studio apartment and then the small apartment that was next to mine. So now I'm just gonna have this like ginormous space, and let me show you what we've done. This is the wall that we're removing, and I could have done it myself, but there was a bunch of like electrical work and your girl got skills, but we're quite not there yet. So welcome, because guess who's gonna be recording this entire process? Hi. Me.
1 week later.
I'm back, y'all. Yeah, I have some updates on my expansion. Let me show y'all what we've done. If I'm honest, I really have no idea what my layout is going to be yet. Every day I have like a genius idea, but I digress. So next up, I'm gonna paint, do the floors, and conceal the boiler. That's not really in order, but you know what I'm talking about. And then what I really need to do is figure out where the kitchen is gonna go, which means that I have to be very intentional given the space that I do have. I can't cook, so I don't need the biggest kitchen.
One week later.
After a week, this is what we've got. We've removed the old kitchen, installed some floors, painted walls. Well, sort of, but we're getting there. And the frame is created for the radiator doors to fit in. So we've got one up, which is great. And then I am tackling this kitchen. I've decided, I think this is where it's gonna go. It's gonna be like a compact kitchen, and I'm doing it myself, so that's really exciting. Another kitchen. And we also created this frame above the radiator. There were a bunch of pipes that were exposed. It looks amazing.
1 week later.
I'm back with updates. The boiler doors are finally up. sweetheart, since you still watching or whatever, like, what's up? Watch my other videos. Like, I do home decor and DIY videos every 2 weeks. Feel free to also follow me on Instagram. It's at 2degreesnojob. So, yeah.